Hey guys. Okay, so if you're not smart like me, you need to know your multiplication. I know people don't like learning stuff, but my mom said if I'm gonna have a YouTube, I need to do some education stuff or YouTube account, you know? Okay, this is a white, clean workbook. Okay, this is for babies. My mom bought it for me. See? Okay, so I don't have a dry erase marker, but you write this on paper and it will go on a thing. And you post your answers right down there underneath, yeah. You post your answers to these, you write them down, then you post them, okay? Through every problem, keep pausing. Okay, I will tell you when to pause. I really don't want to do this. Okay, now, this is called not one word, but zero gravity, okay? 0 times 0. Okay, you probably would know the answer because, okay, let me teach you. This says, multiply any number by 0, and you still have 0. So basically, all of these big fat answers are zeros. So, you don't need to do the zeros. My mom said I had to do every single one of them. Okay, I'll just tell you the answers. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so, okay, one word. Every answer there, just the other number. See? Multiply any number by 1, and the answer is always the other number. So basically, 1 times 0 equals blank. Okay, now you can pause it, even though you probably know that problem. Because, like we went over before, there has a 0 in it. Multiply any number by 0, and you still have 0. So basically, you should know that number by the other problem. Okay? Okay, 1 times 1. Now, multiply any number by 1, and the answer is always the other number. So, and I have worksheets to mail out. These are only the zeros and the ones. Okay? Now, usually I don't do learning stuff, but I am going to keep handing these out, so you don't need to just write them on a piece of paper. You mail them back to me. Well, you don't mail them back to me because, yeah, you shouldn't know my address. Okay? Okay. So, these are just the same as my book, but my book's in colors. This one's just in black and white. Okay, so 0 times 0, 1 times 0, 2 times that, and it's just the same. Okay? So once I go over these with you, you should know the answers on here. See? They're all the same. So, I think these went backwards. Nope, they're good. Okay, so always, 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 when you're done with this paper, post a picture of the paper down below. Okay, just post a picture if you can. If you can't, If you don't know how, just tell me the answers. Just post words down there and tell me the answers, okay? Right. So, now, today I'm not making worksheets of the other numbers, but because my mom said I can't do anymore. Ooh, this means I better close my doors. Well, not this front one. Right here. Put that off. Okay, so we'll not get a book like this unless you staple all the pages together if you think you can remember them in order. Okay? Now, I will be posting something down there, and you need to try and figure it out, okay? I know everyone's not going to watch this video because you probably think it's boring, but at least it's something good, right? Okay. So looks like the front. Oh, go this way. Alright, this is the front. Cosmic Sim. Okay, these are the things that there is, okay? Now write this down, okay? Zero gravity. Multiply any number by 0 and you still have 0, okay? You can pause it now and write that down, okay? Multiply any number by 0, you always get 0. Because if you do 0 times 10, what do you think the answer is? 0. See? Now, this is part of the 1s, part of the 2s, and part of the 3s, okay? 1 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 3 times 0, 0. Now you get the answers of 0. Now the 1s. 1 times 0. You know that one already. 0. 1 times 1. It's always the other number. So it would be 1. Because there's 2 1s in that sentence. So you only take 1. And right there, you write down 1 as your answer. Okay? 1 times 2. What is 1 twice? 2. Because if you take 1, and do another one, what do you get? 1, 2. Okay? So, 1 times 2. Just did that one. Guess it's twice in a book. It might not be twice in your paper. Maybe it was just a book. Because I printed those off a computer. Not off here. I looked this book up on the computer. Because what if it wasn't right? Okay, so now we're on our 2s, right? Okay, 1 times 3. What's 1, 2, 1. 1, 1, and 1. That is, just count. 1, 2, 3. See? Always the other number. Okay, it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 second. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? I will be back. Okay? In my second.